What is up, guys? Carter Short. Today I'm gonna be doing some assassin gameplay. I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway right now. Come on. Bro, he got me. Dude, I'm so behind. Okay, so today I wanted to do a oh dang it, I just got killed. I'm recording. Hold on, let me shorten this a little bit. Okay, there we go. Haha, get wrecked. Dude, if I catch up to this guy, dang it, he won. I don't know. So basically today I wanted to do a giveaway. This is a quick giveaway. This is aside from the 2K sub special that I'm still gonna let that go on for a week, and I'm gonna have like the little round. But basically, I want to give away. I have a lot of exotics, so I want to just like give away a random exotic, but like a cool one. I'm going to go on ahead and give away a paladin. So if you want to win a paladin, let me know. Simple rules. This will be a one-day giveaway. So this giveaway will be announced tomorrow. So tell all your friends if they want to join the giveaway to just do the same thing as always. Hit the like bell. And just subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment your username, and you can have a chance to win a one-day only paladin godly. So this is it. I'm actually going to use it right now in this round. So yeah. Alright, so here is the paladin itself. As you can see, it is a very nice item. This is my target, so I'm gonna get out. Honestly, this knife isn't that bad in first person. It actually looks pretty dope. So yeah, very nice. Very nice item. We are ballin'. Bro, still trying to run away from me. Oh, he got me. Okay, I'm still winning. Hopefully, I can win this one. Alright. Alrighty. Okay, this guy is my target. Wrong player. Oh, I can't take this L. Alright, so my target is this man right here. Oof. Dude, I'm ahead by 2. I know I can catch this dub. Come on, come here. I can do this. I can do this, bro. No, you're not gonna get me. You're not gonna get me. Ugh. There she is. No! Oh my god, this keeps happening. The wrong guy stabs me. I'm still ahead by 2, so it's all good. Oh, I'm still ahead. Okay, I just need one more kill. Alright, I just need to find this guy and eliminate him. He is right there. GG, I won. Nice. Okay, I won my first assassin round. It's pretty cool. Round over. I got 8 kills. First place. Let's go. Alrighty. But yeah, this is the item that I'm going to be giving away. The At this point, I don't care if I win. Bro, stop declining my trade. Okay. But yeah, this is the giveaway item. Oh, I accidentally added an extra K. What? Oh. Oh, I'm so behind. Can I catch up though? Wrong player. Oh, she not gonna get me. Dang, he got me. Okay. But yeah, this is a knife. Like I said, same rules. If you want to win this free exotic, you can just hit the bell or just like the video, subscribe, share this video, comment your username so I know where you are, so I can give you the item. Bro, come on, come on, bruh. Okay, GG. But yeah, so let me go to my backpack. This is the godly that I'm giving away. Where is it? The Paladin. If you guys want to win that, just same rules as always. Like the video, subscribe, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So we'll have to make this ad revenue-able. So I'm gonna play for like 2 more minutes, last round, and then I'm gonna head out. But yeah, if you guys want to win that Paladin, same rules as always. This is a 1-day giveaway, so I'm only gonna have the giveaway up for 1 day. And I'm gonna announce the giveaway winner probably tomorrow. Just a quick comment one. Do the random generator and be like, oh, okay, here. And then yeah, that'll be all. So yeah. All right, let's see if I can like win this one. I've won one. Wrong player. This is... Bruh. Hacker. I whipped out my knife before him. Alright, there we go. How? Okay. Come here. I have to kill you. What the heck? Dude, someone's hacking. Somebody is hacking. Somebody has got to be hacking. Somebody's gotta be hacking. What? That's not even fair. Okay, I'm behind by 1. I think I have a chance. Whoa! That's not fair. That's not fair. Alright, I'm behind 3. If I can just get like 3 quick kills, that would be amazing. Ooh, ooh, who's gonna get it? Dude, no! This is it, this is it, this is it. It's gotta be. Come on, Tron, come on. No! He beat me! No! Oh wait, no, we're all tied. It's Tron again. I'm gonna get him. No, fudge! He got me. I should have just went for it. Okay. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, if you guys want to join that giveaway, just follow the rules, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, share it. One day giveaway. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later.